So I want you to get something with a stepper and a bench, kind of like we have here. Most gyms have machines. I like showing you guys doing it the hardest way. So if you don't have a gym with a machine, you can still enjoy this exercise with figuring it out. This is like the only other way, unless you just put your feet on the floor. We have a little stepper or something a little inclined. So all I want you to do is lay the dumbbells down, something slightly heavy so you actually feel it in the calf when you come up and squeeze. So go ahead and have a seat on a flat bench. You want the stepper right in front of you, okay? You don't want it far out too much or too far back, then it just won't hit it right. So we want 90-degree angled legs. That's where the stepper is. It's right by the ball of his foot when he makes a 90-degree angle on his legs. So you see that? Now, you're going to take the dumbbells and put them at the end of your leg and let them lay there and put pressure down. And with your hands, you could push down too, so you get more pressure in that soleus muscle right here. So, feet are straight, shoulders back and down, chest up, abs tight. Go ahead, come down as far as you can. Get a stretch in that Achilles tendon and the soleus, and then come up pushing with the ball of your foot. The ball of your foot is right here. So come up pushing with that all the way up and squeeze that soleus muscle. Breathe in on the way down, go out on the way up, and look nice and straight.